What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on WorldRemit platforms for fast, flexible and secure money transfer, and I'm gonna teach you how to create an account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, when you're on a home page on their browser page, so WorldRemit offers you many options which we're gonna go through. So how to create an account? First you need to go to sign up. Then as you can see, create an account, it's free. First question is, where will you send money from? Email and password. Your password should contain at least 8 characters and have one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter and one number. So I'm gonna be back when I fill out this form. So guys, just by entering where are you sending money from, your email address, and by creating a password, you have created the account. So basically a password should contain at least 8 characters, one upper and one lowercase letter and at least one number. So basically those are the criteria for creating a password. And for countries, not all countries in the world are offered on WorldRemit, so keep that in mind. Basically, as you can see, don't miss out. Opt in to be kept up to date with notifications of their latest offers, services and exchange rates. You can enable notification or just press X by disabling notification. So basically I have created an account over here and we are gonna dive into some WorldRemit specifics and some tips and tricks, so make sure to watch out our future videos if you need any help with WorldRemit. As always guys, thank you so much for watching our videos and see you in our next one. Goodbye.